congresses. Because again, magiging busy ang tao. And it would be detrimental to the senators who will be pushing for re-election or seeking other posts in the government. Tapos kung maghuhusga agad sila, magko-convict agad sila, whether guilty or not, mawawalan ng boses yung tao, yung latest na opinyon ng tao. Because again, this is a national referendum para sa itsura ng political landscape natin sa susunod na mga taon. Ultimately, the senators must remain impartial and vote with their conscience or review the arguments and evidence and convict if it is all beyond reasonable doubt. Now, a lot of people will think that it will be a pretty clear and cut case kasi again, it's a pretty clear and cut case ng kung ano yung sinabi niya, kung ano yung naging resulta ng mga Quadcom hearings, which are what the prosecutors were from. Pero the thing is, it could all be possibly witch hunt. We do not know yet. Kaya we need it to be beyond reasonable doubt. Si President Ferdinand Marcos too, he has said multiple times na he did not want an impeachment trial. He did not want an impeachment trial, and he did not have a hand in this impeachment complaint passed by the Congress.
Mr. President, sabi niyo po ang impeachment ay hindi makapagdudulot ng kabutihan sa buhay ng kahit isang Pilipino. Nung nag-ask po ng advice sa inyo si Congressman Sandro Marcos, as a father and as a father of this nation, hindi niyo po ba naisip o na-advisean siya na gawin kanyang duty para sa kapakanan at interest ng mas nakararaming mga Pilipino at kung ano po yung standing niyo na sana ay wag matuloy yung impeachment?
The House is a collegial body. They decide as one. And that